The spread operator is another of the many great new additions that came to the JavaScript language in its ES6 update. It is the shortest and simplest method to copy the properties of an object onto a newly created object. Think of the spread operator as a magical multi-purpose tool that can spread out array items and join objects together. In this video, you will explore what the spread operator is and how to use it. Note that the spread operator is characterized by 3 dots. To illustrate where the spread operator becomes useful, let's first build an array, and then call the items with a basic function. Using the variable keyword let, I create an array of the top 3 places to visit on a holiday to Rome, and I call it top3. Then I include the Colosseum, Trevi Fountain, and the Vatican City as the elements of my top 3 array. Now I write a function that lists these 3 attractions. To keep it simple, I just log it into the console. I create a function and I name it showItinerary, with 3 arguments: place 1, place 2, place 3. Now I console log the 3 places to visit by typing console.log and then the string visit, and the first argument place 1. Next, I console log the other 2 arguments by first using the strings, then visit, and the argument place 2. And then the string finish with a visit to, and the third argument, place 3. Then, when I run the function showItinerary, it should run through all 3 places. Now, let's try to run the showItinerary function with the elements in the top 3 array. I write the function name, showItinerary, and each array element, starting with top 3, open square bracket, 0, which is the first element in the array, and close square bracket. Then I do the same for the other array elements, 1 and 2. But what if I extended my function to have 7 places that I want to visit? Let's disregard what the showItinerary function definition may show and imagine that I have made the necessary updates so that the function will handle 7 arguments. I have now built an entirely new array of the top 7 destinations, and I have saved it in a variable named top7. Now, I call the showItinerary function, and passing this function, the 7 arguments again start with 0, as in top7 and 0 within square brackets. Then the array again, top7 and number 1 within square brackets, and so on, until we get to the last top7 array element, which is top7 and number 6 within square brackets. While this code will work, it seems a bit impractical. The spread operator simplifies things. Let's try it now. I type the showItinerary function, then open parenthesis, 3 dots, top7, close parenthesis, semicolon. That's it. I used the spread operator by placing it in front of an array, which is passed to the showItinerary function. The advantage of this approach is that you don't have to list each individual member of the array that you want to pass to your function. The syntax is clear, concise, and easy to type. Now, if I go back to the top 3 array, I can use it with the spread operator just like I used it for the top 7 array. I type the showItinerary function and the 3 dots, and the array name, top3, within parentheses, and I end with a semicolon. The function returns the combination of the strings and the variables I used earlier. Visit the Colosseum, then visit Trevi Fountain, and finish with a visit to the Vatican City. In this video, you explored what the spread operator is and how you can use it.